What's going on, guys? So today I've got a, what year is it? 09?
No, it's 2013.
2013 Toyota Prius, and he's having some trouble with his headlights because they keep going out. So I thought that we could try out these Hikari LED lights and put in them. So these lights, I've also got them in my 2012 Ninja that you guys see sitting in the garage every once in a while. But I'm gonna go through the full install on this car, show you how to put them in, show you how easy it is, and then we'll get some shots at night and show you the difference between the two. It's gonna be a little hard to compare because one of his headlight bulbs is out already, so that kind of sucks. But we can at least see how good they work at night whenever we get them put in. So with that, I'll get to the install. I'm gonna show you guys what comes in this Hikari box. So these are the more expensive of the two kits. They've got a, I believe it's like a 9600 lumen and a 15,000 lumen. So these are the 15,000 lumens. So you get the install manual, and it's actually got pictures in it, and it's in English, so that's awesome. But it shows all the different bulbs, how exactly you install each bulb, but that's pretty simple. So he's got one bulb that keeps going out, and the car was wrecked. And I think there might be a short or something in the wire. So my thinking is using this control box, it'll actually control any shorts maybe that come through it. The light might last a lot longer. But these Hikari bulbs, they've got a fan on them. So when they're running, that fan's going to keep the bulb cool. It won't overheat. And then the cool thing is sometimes these ballasts do go out. So if you go back, you can contact the company, you can get a new ballast or a new bulb. And all you have to do is swap out the ballast to make sure, to see which part of it went dead. So we'll see how these things work, see if they last any longer than the regular halogens he had in it. So I'll go ahead and get this thing put in and we'll see the difference between the two bulbs. All right, so I've got the camera zoomed in pretty far. You probably can't see the light in there, but on this Prius, you reach right here in front of the antifreeze jug. You can get into the light and you just twist it a quarter of a turn counterclockwise and the headlight will come right out. So there's the headlight, and then you just push the tab in, and the headlight comes right out. Alright, so when you reinstall them, it's the same way as you took it out. First thing you'll do is just plug the stock harness into the connector. Let me get it fished back out of here. Once that's plugged in, you just take the light and you find the hole it goes in, and then just twist it that quarter turn back clockwise, and you'll feel it snap into place once you get it. And that's it. All right, so here I got the LED light installed in the passenger side, and the driver's side is still the Sylvania light. So the passenger side is the side that got hit. It's actually got a replacement lens in it, so it's a lot clearer. But these Hikari bulbs are supposed to be, I believe, 6500K, so they're nice and white compared to that ugly yellow that all halogens are. But I'm gonna go ahead and get that other one swapped out right quick, and then we'll have some clips from night. you got a napkin so I can take the cross off my forehead before I make a YouTube video. All right, so we're standing here at night, and I've still got one swapped out, so I'm gonna show you all the difference between the two lights and how they look on the wall back there behind me. So hopefully it'll show up in the video there. You can see how much wider that Hikari is there on the left, and then up against the thing has an awesome cutoff. So this, the right side, this is the Hikari, and then that's the stock Sylvania. Woo!
That be smoking? You gonna turn that off?
I thought I was gonna get it out pretty quick.
Turn the lights off.
No, you're kidding. That thing's hot. All right, so there we go. We got them both put in. You can see with that light being a little, the driver's side light being a little foggy. The color's not as crisp as it is on this one, but it is nice and white. Looks a lot better. So we'll see what it looks like on the wall. So that's what it looks like now. So they're definitely a lot brighter. This passenger light, I guess it has a better cutoff just because it's brand new and it's been replaced. And this is the one that has not yet been replaced. So I'm wondering if like the coating on the lens is messing up that cutoff beam. But you can see how sharp it looks over here, how bright it is in the grass there. So they are definitely an upgrade over the stock bulbs. So the only thing left to do on the Prius would be to change the high beams. You could actually put these in the high beams as well and get even more light whenever they're shining. But overall, those things are easy to put in and they are an awesome upgrade for your vehicle. So I'm sitting here at a McDonald's drive-thru, and I figured it'd be a good time to finish the Hikari headlight review. It was taking me a little bit longer to get this video out. I've been super busy the past couple weeks. I was helping out at the shop I used to work at. They were short-handed for a few days, so I helped them out, plus working my regular job and doing all kinds of stuff in between. So I really need to finish up this video, but I wanted to talk to the guy that had the Prius about what he thought about the headlights, how he thought they were working, and he said they are awesome. So they shine way better, and you guys saw that against the wall. You could see how much brighter they were. They had a great cutoff coming out of the lens. That one that's foggy, that's got to be the reason why the cutoff doesn't look as good as the passenger side did. But I think if he ever spends the money to fix that lens, that it would completely fix that cutoff on that side. The problem was it got hit on one side, and of course the insurance company didn't want to pay to replace both of them, even though they were redoing the whole front end. Of course they didn't want to spend the money on it, which kind of sucks because now his car it don't look good with that one bad headlight. But overall, those headlights, I would definitely recommend them to anybody that wants to use them. Like I said, I had them in my 2012 Ninja. As far as I could tell, it shines amazing in that thing. It's super bright. It definitely helps light up the whole road, and in the car it's got to be even better because you got both lights shining all the time. The only thing you could change in the front of that Prius would be get another set and put them in the high beams, and for that would definitely, I mean, that'd probably blow those halogens out of the water, putting them in a high beam. The only thing I would not do though is don't put them in a low beam bulb that doesn't have a projector. They are so bright. I mean, it's like those HIDs you see coming down the road that people don't care, and they just put them in a regular halogen lens, and they just blind you more than they actually project onto the road. So don't waste your money. Don't put them in a regular halogen light. If you're going to get some eBay headlights or something that's already got a projector built into them, and then put those lights in that, and that's what will give you the best result. Really, I mean, the best light you can get for a halogen is just a high dollar, a high-end Sylvania. And really, I wouldn't go with any other bulb other than that. If you really hate the yellow look, Sylvania makes an awesome bulb called the ZXE. That's actually what I run in my truck. And of course, it's not as white as a LED or an HID would be, but it's a lot wider than a regular Sylvania Ultra or any other stock halogen light. So that's an option for you guys that don't have projector lenses. But if you made it this far in the video, I really appreciate you guys watching it, checking it out. I hope the review helped you out. If it did, please hit the like button because it definitely will help this channel grow and help us get more views coming in and get the channel out there. But really hit the subscribe button as well. That way you get all the notifications whenever we post new videos, new reviews, and upgrades to the F-250 I'm driving now. So with that, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.